Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time we have met. So today we shall continue with our SQL series. Now today we shall discuss about the DCL commands, data control language commands in SQL. Okay. So we have the new year ahead. Before the new year we shall complete our SQL series, and after the new year let us start with the new series of Python. Okay, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and without any delay let us start with our video. Firstly, DCL stands for data control language. Okay, so DCL commands, as the name suggests, are used to grant or revoke the privileges from the user. That is, we can give any privilege to the user, or we can take that privileges back from that particular user. So for that we have two commands: grant, which is used to give the privileges to the user, and revoke, to take the existing privileges from that particular user. Okay, so without any delay let us start with the syntax and usage of the grant command. Okay, SQL, the grant command is used to provide privileges to database objects, that is your tables or views, for a user. Okay, the meaning is we provide any select operation or insert operation, delete operation. These are all called privileges, and the database objects are any tables, views or roles, and finally we provide them to a particular user. Okay, that is about the grant statement. And getting into the syntax, firstly we use the grant keyword followed by the name of the privilege, that is either select, insert, delete, update or anything. You can give multiple privilege names within a single grant statement also. And next, on keyword, and next we use the object name, either your table name or a view name, and next followed by the to keyword followed by the user name. Okay, here you can also assign the privileges as public, which means anyone who operates the data can use those privileges. Okay, so now let us see practically how the grant command works. Okay, firstly I have created a table named student. Okay, let us see how that particular table is looking. That is, let us see what columns this particular table consists of. Okay, yeah, we have three columns, namely name, which is of type varchar, age of type integer, and place of type again varchar. Okay, now let us grant the privilege insert to the user named user2. Okay, I have already a user which is named user2. If you don't know how to create a user, I'll just show you the syntax. You just use the create keyword, create followed by the user keyword followed by your user name. Let us say any user2. Sorry, I already have user2, right? Let us use user3, identified by. Then you give your password. Okay, let us say any 1 2 3 4. So this is how you create a user. And if you don't want any password, you skip this part, identified by followed by password. Okay, you use only create user followed by username. That is how you create user. Now let us execute this query. Yeah, a user named user3 has been created. So now let us grant a privilege insert to the user user2. Okay, firstly we use the grant keyword followed by the privilege. Here the privilege is insert, right? Followed by the on keyword followed by the table name student 2 followed by the user name user2. Done, right? Now let's execute this particular query. Yeah, we have the insert command granted to user2, right? Now let us see if this is working or not. I'm logging in as user2 using my command prompt. Okay, I have opened my command prompt. Now we have to navigate to the path where our SQL server has been stored. Okay, so we use cd and we have to copy the path, right? So I'm going to my file explorer. Here let's go to our C drive and then to program files. By default your SQL server is stored here. If you have given any your own path, just navigate there. Okay, yeah, MySQL bin. Now let's copy this particular path and let's close this window. Yeah, yeah. Now let us log in as user 2. Okay, firstly use MySQL followed by space and hyphen u followed by a space, then your username followed by again a space hyphen and p. Okay, now let me enter my password. Yeah, now let us try to insert into our table student. Okay, firstly let us get our database, right? Without database our any operations can't be done. Okay, yeah, our database has been changed. Now let us perform our insert operation. Insert into the table name student followed by values keyword followed by the values. Okay, first column we have John, right? Sorry, we have name, right? Yeah, followed by the age, let's say 20, and again place. Okay, what place? Yeah, I'm giving any random name. Yeah, yeah, we have got query. Okay, one row affected, right? Now let us try to perform another operation, like let us try to select star from student, right? In general this statement must return the entire table, but let's see what happens now. Yeah, we have got an error with code 1142. Select command denied to user2 at localhost for table student, right? So we have given only insert privilege to user2 for table student. We have not given any other privilege. So any other statements would be denied if executed. Okay. So this is how the grant statement works. Now let us get into the revoke command. Okay. Getting done with the grant command, let us now get into the revoke command. In SQL, the revoke command is used to take back the existing privileges from that particular user. For example, consider you have given the select privilege to a particular user. Now you want to take back that select privilege from that particular user. In that case, we use the revoke command. Okay, so the syntax for this is same as the grant command. Firstly, we use the revoke keyword followed by the privilege name followed by the on keyword, which is then followed by the object name, that is either your table or view, followed by the from keyword and then the name of the user from which you have to take back any particular privilege. Okay, remember that you can take back only the existing privileges. Okay, if you give any non-existing privileges, then you will find an error. Okay, now let us see how revoke command works practically. Okay, now let us try to revoke the insert command from a user2 on table student. Okay, firstly we use the revoke keyword followed by the command name or the privilege name, revoke insert followed by the on keyword followed by the table name, from keyword, and then finally you name your user, right? Yeah, now let us execute this particular query. Yeah, our query has been executed. Now let us try to insert another row into our student. Okay, I'm just changing my values here. Yeah, now let's execute this particular query. Yeah, we have got the error insert command denied to user for table student, right? So this is how you revoke your privileges from any user if already exists. Okay, you cannot revoke any unexisting privileges. Okay, so let us try that also. Revoke delete on student from user 2. Okay, now let's execute this particular query. Yeah, we got an error. There is no such grant defined for user 2 on table student, right? So this is how we use the grant and revoke statements. You got it correct, right? So now in the next video, let us discuss about the TCL commands, which are transaction control language command. So that's all for today. If you like this video and if you have gained any knowledge, please like, share, comment and also subscribe to my channel Easy Coding. Okay? If you have any doubts, feel free to reach me out at the comment section. Okay? Thank you. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.